So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today who has reversed a lot of diseases. We'll be talking about that. And we have angel coach Jaina Reshamwala, who was taking care of Chinmay Mohanty. So, we have Chinmay with us and we have Swadhina Mohanty. Swadhina is the daughter and Chinmay was the person. So, before I start, I just want to give you a quick, detail about what health issues they were having. So, what I was informed by the coach that Chinmay Mohanty is from Odisha, 62 kg weight, height 4 feet 10 inches, 860, and history of diabetes since 2015, blood pressure since 2015, cholesterol 2015, headache, itchiness in body, irritation of eyes, gum swelling, bleeding gums, sensitivity of teeth, constipation and gas, was having low confidence, hand fingers get stiff after holding it, and a lot of pressure, it gets normal. Shoulder pain, chest pain, left side, lower abdominal pain, low energy, tiredness, lost 10 kgs, foot and ankle was swelling की वहाँ पे, pain in leg and knees continuously, motion sickness in every 1-2 month and varicose veins. तो अगर ये केस में किसी और को बताऊं and I'll say that there is no diseases, people will अबे हटते यार क्यों मजाक कर रहा है, you know. So the world is mechanic minded, right? People believe that only medicines can save you, only medicines can protect you, but we have thousands and thousands of cases, and today we are bringing very proudly Swadhina Mohanty and Chinmay Mohanty. So over to you, Swadhina and Chinmay. How has been your journey? You can unmute yourself and share how has been your journey with Go Nature with your angel coach Jaina Reshamwala. Over to you, Swadhina.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My journey with Go Nature was extremely amazing, and I feel like I have taken the best decision to join the Go Nature because I feel like means everyone is worried about their parents, but they take a different way. Either they means go like for a medical care system, but I think I am blessed and fortunate to have Go Nature team and really the angel coach Jaina ma'am. She's such a sweetheart. Means she's so caring, and the first of all I like that she's very empathetic. She listens to all of the worries or complaints which I have for my mother, and she's very caring. She's understanding. She understands the problem, how to go over it, and how to make my mother understand. Because the journey was really very smooth and easy just because of her. Means whenever I have several doubts, also she is so patient. She takes each of my questions, means nicely and peacefully. She explains me, so I like that approach. And the way my mother reversed all the diseases is more than an inspiration to everyone, because she has several and multiple, as sir mentioned, several problems, but with a proper guidance. And the most important part is that Jaina ma'am and the entire team of Go Nature, they focus on building healthy habits, and that is sustainable. They do not focus on giving a shortcut or a quick fix. They focus on building healthy habits, healthy lifestyle, and that created a healthier version of my mother. So I'm really very, very happy and blessed and fortunate to have connected with Team Go Nature and Coach Jaina ma'am. Thank you so much, and grateful to you, sir and ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So चिन्मय जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। हाँ, थोड़ा सा इनको पास आना पड़ेगा। हाँ जी जी जी।
गो नेचर को थैंक यू, और जना मैम को मुझे थैंक यू। मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट दिया, हेल्प किए, और बहुत समझदार, बहुत अच्छा लगा गो नेचर। मेरे जो डायबिटीज और कोलेस्ट्रॉल ये सब विदाउट मेडिसिन में 3 मंथ्स में
3 महीने में आपकी मेडिसिन हट गई। जो आप 3-4 साल 2015 से जो आप खा रहे थे, वो 3 महीने में आपकी सारी मेडिसिन हट गई, डायबिटीज, बीपी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल की। वेरी नाइस।
3 मंथ्स कुछ मैंने मेडिसिन कुछ नहीं किया।
धन्यवाद। आप लोग आके बता देते, वरना हमारी बातों पे कोई यकीन नहीं करता है, तो आप लोग आके बता देते तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ये, राइट? सो थैंक यू सो मच।
I would like to add one more thing if you permit, sir.
जी जी।
Yes, yes, sir. Means my mother was like, as you mentioned, lot of problems. She was under so many medications, but under your guidance, then she is now medicine free, and she reduced around 4 kg within 1 month only, and her cholesterol level was completely normal within 1 month. Her fasting was around 370 on the month of May when she joined, and in the month of March only, it's like now the post reading is almost 140, and that is without medicine. So the journey is just wonderful. And it would be incomplete if I have not said this. So I just
धन्यवाद। हमारी बात पे कोई यकीन नहीं करता है, आप ही हमारे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स हैं, राइट? हम बोलते हैं तो कोई यकीन नहीं करता है। आप आए, आपने बोला, इतनी बड़ी बात आप कैमरे के आगे बोल रहे हो, सो दैट्स सो अमेजिंग। सो थैंक यू। 8 साल की दवाइयां अगर आपकी 1 महीने में छूट जाएं तो इससे अच्छी चीज और क्या हो सकती है, राइट? सो आई कम टू कोच। या थैंक यू सो मच, राइट? सो आप कुछ कह रहे थे, शायद कुछ कह रहे थे?
स्वाधीना को, मेरे बेटे स्वाधीना को भी थैंक यू।
यस, उसके बिना तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं था ये, राइट? वेरी ट्रू। सो आई कम टू द एंजल कोच जैना रेशमवाला। सो जैना, हाउ वाज योर जर्नी? कैसी जर्नी रही आपकी स्वाधीना और चिन्मय के साथ? यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
Good evening, Vishal. Good evening, everyone. And thank you, Chinmay ji. Thank you, Swadhina, for coming to Hall of Fame interview today. And your appreciation means a lot to me. And it really fills my heart with joy. And it inspires me to do better and better every day in my life. So my journey with Chinmay and daughter Swadhina is really going great. Chinmay, just to give a background, she was working as a teacher when she enrolled for this program. And recently only she retired. So she was suffering from BP, cholesterol, very high sugar, and other multiple issues. But and she was a very super busy person. कहते हैं ना, morning में she used to go to school, she used to come in the evening, she used to wake up at 4 o'clock. She had so many other responsibilities. And even Swadhina, she has a little baby. But she has proven that healing can be done without medicines by following naturopathy. So चिन्मय जी, मैं आपको भी खूब थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ कि आपने हमारे ऊपर पूरा विश्वास किया है, सरेंडर किया है, और 100% डेडिकेशन एंड कमिटमेंट के साथ मैंने जो भी बोला है आपने सब किया है. You have never asked me a single question why, even Swadhina and Chinmay. And lot of challenges came because her sugar was not initially, it was not coming down. It took a lot of while, but she completely had so much of faith. And जो भी challenges आए हैं, तो you never gave up. First of all, हमेशा smiling face, never nervous, tensed, and so much of patience she had. And आप lucky हो कि आपको स्वाधीना जैसी बेटी मिली है. She was so concerned about your health, and she has really supported you endlessly in this journey. And every day she used to update me thrice about your progress. मम्मी का इतना शुगर है अभी, मम्मी का इतना शुगर है. Every day thrice she has updated me non-stop all these 3 months. So भगवान सबको स्वाधीना जैसी बेटी दे और हमेशा आप स्वस्थ और खुश रहिए, यही मेरे विशेष हैं आपको. And thank you Swadhina for support, for everything you did for your mom, and also having faith in Go Nature and me, Vishal. So thank you Vishal. I would like to thank Vishal also for your everlasting support. So मैं सबको यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि at age 60 if she can do, every one of us can reverse our diseases. So don't waste time and just fix your health by natural.
Amazing. बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jana. Thank you so much. So I just want to tell you that there are 8,000 diseases on planet Earth. The first reason of death is cancer. The second reason is heart disease. The third reason of death worldwide is eating medicines, atherogenic death. यानी कि दवाइयों से जो साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं उससे जो मृत्यु होती है, that is the third reason out of 8,000 diseases. तो यहाँ पे चिन्मय जी ने अपना बीपी, डायबिटीज, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, हेडेक, इचीनेस, इरिटेशन ऑफ आईज, गम स्वेलिंग, ब्लीडिंग, सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ टीथ, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, गैस, लो कॉन्फिडेंस, हैंड फिंगर गेट स्टिफ, शोल्डर पेन, चेस्ट पेन, लेफ्ट लेग एब्डोमिनल पेन, लो एनर्जी, ओबेसिटी, 10 किलो उन्होंने कम किया 3 महीने में, फुट एंड एंकल स्वेलिंग, पेन इन लेग्स, मोशन सिकनेस, सब कुछ, वेरिकोज वेन सब ठीक हो गया है. कोई यकीन करे ना करे भाई, हम तो करते हैं. सो समथिंग विच कैन बी, जो दुनिया के लिए जादू है भाई, ये कैसे पॉसिबल है, दैट इज नॉर्मल इन नेचुरोपैथी. मींस जो जिसके लिए है ना कि यार ये तो मैजिक हो गया, हमारे लिए इट इज लाइक नॉर्मल, बिकॉज वी बिलीव नेचर इज द ओनली वे टू ट्रीट योर डिजीजेस. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी मुझे देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब में या लाइव आज, तो जस्ट यू हैव टू चेंज योर माइंडसेट. यू हैव बिकम मैकेनिक माइंडेड. एमआरआई नहीं जब तक होगा, स्टंट में हार्ट नहीं डल जाएगा, 25 ब्लड रिपोर्ट आप नहीं करा लोगे, तब तक आपको चैन नहीं पड़ता कि मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ, राइट? Just surrender yourself to the universe, and if a 60-year-old person can surrender, who is stopping you? So thank you so much, Swadhina and Chinmay ji, for coming. आप लोग आ जाते हो, बता दे तो लोग को थोड़ा बहुत भरोसा आ जाता है, वरना कोई समझता नहीं है कि naturopathy is so powerful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Go Nature. Thank you.
Thank you, Swadhina. Thank you, Chinmay. Thank you, Vishal.
Go Nature is the best. You
Thank
can
you.
definitely trust them. The best. Thank you.
Thank you.